Here we are at 60 Perth. This is what a modern townhome is like here in Toronto. Come have a look. It's nice, isn't it?
What's your favorite thing on this floor?
If I had to choose one thing on this floor, I would probably say it's the super high ceilings. These are 10-feet ceilings here, which just makes the space feel more luxurious and just a lot bigger in general. And because the ceilings are so high, we get these really tall windows that just floods in with natural lighting. In fact, if I were to flick on and off the lights, you probably wouldn't even notice a difference.
Is it like this in the morning too?
Oh yeah, it's because the house faces east-west. So in the morning, you get that sunrise coming in through the front. In the evenings, you get the sunset. Actually, Henry, pan the camera around to the back. You'll notice that there isn't even a building in the back to block the light. Should we just film the terrace now? It's huge, isn't it? And this is one of 3 terraces on the whole property. You would have a hard time finding a bigger terrace than this downtown. There's a gas line there for the barbecue. There's a water line there for the plants. And the best part is, there isn't even a building opposite staring straight back down at you.
Are we on top of the garage?
Yeah. Why don't we go down? I'll show you the garage on the main floor now. Okay, so this ground level was finished with a 2-piece powder room and just storage everywhere. There's storage here with motion activated lights. There's storage there and storage in the corner. And this just helps you keep things nice and tidy to be able to tuck it away when you're actually living here. And notice really generous window in the back. That lets in a lot of natural lighting. That's a really common theme in this house. Actually, Henry, you're gonna love the garage. I'll show it to you next, because I know you're into cars. Look how big this garage is. It's a fully private garage, not some shared underground parking like you were probably expecting. Actually, up until a few weeks ago, the owner was using all this extra space here as a home gym because of COVID. I just want to point out this separate entrance here. This is a big deal because, if I'm not mistaken, when we bought this from the builder, this ground floor could have been finished as a nanny suite or an in-law suite. And this door here was the private entrance into that suite. So it's just nice to have all these options down the road. So this roadway here that you're seeing is really quiet because it's only the owners of these townhomes that drive back here when they need access to their garage. So if we were to spend more time here, we'd see kids playing street hockey, kids playing basketball, or even younger kids learning to ride their bikes. It's a really cute family neighborhood. So this second floor has 2 bedrooms and a full bath. The beauty of it is the bedrooms are separated by the bathroom, so you don't share a mutual wall, and it just gives you a little bit more privacy. In the washroom is a stacked washer dryer and a floor drain, which is huge if your washer ever fails you. And this is the second bedroom here with these huge closets, wall to wall. Last but not least, the master bedroom. It's the entire top floor. You can easily fit a king-size bed in here. And the best part is the walk-in closet with organizers on both sides. And last, the 5-piece ensuite. We'll let the B-roll do the talking there. And this is the third and final terrace in the whole home. It's east-facing with this nice privacy glass.
So to wrap up, what's one thing people don't know about the Junction?
I feel like people who don't spend a lot of time here in the Junction, they don't realize how well connected it is. I mean, obviously you have Dundas West Station. That's from this house, that's about a 5-minute walk. But the real secret is the UP Express. The UP Express station is 3 minutes door to door from here, and it's 1 stop to Union Station. That's huge if you do that commute twice a day. But personally, when I'm in the area, I'm here mostly to eat. My favorite restaurants are Sugo, Diana's, Kibo, The Commoner. Like that's good food. I'll probably mention Hyde Park too. Hyde Park from here is about a 10-minute walk, but once you're there are walking trails and dog parks and tennis clubs. So it's just a nice perk to have such a big park close by. But let's just wrap this video here. If you have any questions about it, feel free to reach out. And if you think it's worth it for me to make more of these videos, let me know. Thanks for watching.